What's up guys, I'm going to 3D print a wall mounted headphone stand, so let's go. Alright, so as you can see, I had a few tries before getting it right, so mainly had issues trying to print with the ABS plastic, and eventually I got it right. Now it's time to mount them. Alright, now the center one wasn't the straightest, but you can't see it from above the table, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'll probably attach a box underneath the headphones where I can store some cables. But until the next video, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.